Homeowners in Taylor are always thinking ahead about comfort, maintenance, energy bills, and how their homes will hold up over time. When it comes to window replacement, one option continues to stand out for its balance of performance and value: vinyl windows. Across neighborhoods old and new, vinyl windows have become a top choice for long-term durability, and for good reason. Built to withstand Taylor's climate, Taylor's weather can be unpredictable, with hot summers, sudden storms, and seasonal temperature swings. Vinyl windows are designed to handle these conditions without warping, cracking, or corroding. Unlike wood, vinyl doesn't absorb moisture, and unlike metal, it won't rust or pit over time. This makes vinyl windows especially well suited for homeowners who want windows that look and function the same years down the road as they did on installation day. Low maintenance that saves time and money. One of the biggest reasons Taylor homeowners choose vinyl windows is the minimal upkeep they require. Vinyl frames don't need painting, staining, or sealing. A simple cleaning with soap and water is usually enough to keep them looking fresh. For busy families and homeowners who would rather spend weekends enjoying their home than maintaining it, this low maintenance benefit is a major advantage. Over the years, skipping repainting and repairs can translate into significant cost savings. Long-term energy efficiency benefits. Durability isn't just about physical strength, it's also about consistent performance. Vinyl windows are excellent insulators, helping homes stay cooler during Taylor's hot summers and warmer during cooler months. Many vinyl window designs feature multi-chambered frames and tight seals that reduce air leakage. This improved insulation helps stabilize indoor temperatures and eases the workload on heating and cooling systems. Homeowners often notice lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment, even during temperature extremes. Resistant to fading and aging, Texas sun can be tough on exterior materials, but vinyl windows are engineered to resist fading and discoloration. High-quality vinyl is UV stabilized, which means it maintains its color and finish despite years of sun exposure. This resistance to aging helps preserve curb appeal. Homeowners don't have to worry about frames yellowing, peeling, or looking worn out, which is especially important for those planning to stay in their homes long-term or maintain resale value. A smart investment for long-term value. Vinyl windows offer a strong return on investment. They are typically more affordable upfront than many other window materials, yet they deliver lasting durability and performance. When you factor in energy savings, reduced maintenance costs, and long lifespan, vinyl windows become an even smarter financial decision. Potential buyers also see vinyl windows as a plus. Homes in Taylor with modern, durable windows often stand out in the market, adding to overall property appeal. Customization without compromise. Durability doesn't mean sacrificing style. Vinyl windows come in a wide range of designs, colors, and finishes that complement both traditional and modern homes in Taylor. Whether homeowners prefer classic double-hung windows or expansive picture windows, vinyl options can be tailored to fit both functional needs and personal taste. This flexibility allows homeowners to upgrade their windows while maintaining the architectural character of their home. Peace of mind for years to come. Ultimately, homeowners in Taylor choose vinyl windows because they offer peace of mind. Knowing your windows can handle local weather, resist wear, and perform efficiently year after year makes a big difference. Vinyl windows are built for longevity, comfort, and reliability, qualities that matter when you're investing in your home's future. For Taylor homeowners looking for a window solution that delivers durability without constant upkeep, vinyl windows continue to be a trusted and proven choice.